In this video, I will guide you how to insert website symbol in MS Word. In the first method, what you have to do is you need to click on insert and go to the icons and make sure your computer must be connected with the internet. And after that, you will see that the stock images, the first is images, second is icons, and here you need to type web site. Hit enter, and here is the website symbol. Click on that and click insert. You can make it bigger or smaller as per your requirement. In the second method, you need to type 1F310 and press Alt X together, and here is the website symbol is inserted in MS Word, and here you can change the color of your choice. In the third method, you need to click on insert, and on the right side click on the symbols and click on more symbols, and here you need to select SEGOE UI symbol. Here you can drop down and select it, and on the right side you need to select the private use area. Select it, and here is the website symbol. You need to click on that, and after that click on insert and close it, and here is the website symbol is inserted with the third method. So in this way you can easily insert website symbol in MS Word with these three methods. So if you think this video has fixed your problem, so please support my channel. Thanks for watching.